Hello and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Drknlvely. So I get my hair retightened tomorrow and I've never done a ACV baking soda detox. So I have this here. This is a deluxe inflatable bed shampoo kit and this is what it looks like. Because I don't have the ability to like soak my hair in a sink, so therefore I purchased this a really long time ago, and if you're interested, the link for it will be in my Amazon store. I purchased it on Amazon, and yeah, so we're about to do a detox on my locks, because sometimes I just feel like when I wash my hair, it feels like it smells stale. Like I wash my hair multiple times, but when I sniff it, I don't know, it just doesn't feel, especially in the back, it doesn't feel like freshly washed or something. I don't know how to describe it. So I'm hoping doing this apple cider vinegar and baking soda detox will get rid of that, because I haven't done it all 4 years that I've been locked. So yeah, this should be interesting. So we're gonna set this up and we're gonna do this. Okay, let's see, put that right there. Oh, you're not, I don't know if the water is leaking, but I definitely feel it. Yeah, it's leaking out. That's why I put the towel down. So definitely when I move around, it's like moving out of this right here. So you can only fill it up to a certain level. Like, yeah. Bam. This is it. And then I'm gonna just regularly wash my hair after. So I'm gonna sit here for God knows, I don't even know how long. So I have to look it up and see before I decide. There's the water. Yeah, so this is soaked, right? Not soaked, but this is wet right here. So now, let's go and wash my hair out in the sink. This should be fun. Okay, I have to put you guys in the refrigerator because the battery was saying it's too hot. So when it's too hot, it can't record. So to solve that, I put y'all in the refrigerator. So it definitely helped. So let's go. shot of my hair before. Yeah. Do I feel like it's clean? It definitely smells cleaner. I don't know how to explain the smell. But yeah, definitely in the back it smells definitely fresher. Yeah, for sure. But I don't know if it was, I don't know how it's supposed to feel. So, yeah. So definitely we want to go and detox our locks a little bit sooner than I did, okay? Do it before 4 years, okay? Yeah. Yes. Looks good though. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.